Out here, see if I can drop my phone over the edge and have to go retrieve it. Fort Massac. We're gonna go up here and walk through the fort in a minute. Wish you could get in the buildings. Grab those. Over there is the bridge on 24 going into Paducah. And that is a two-stroke boat starting up. This is the fort. I don't know if you can go in these buildings or not anymore. Doesn't look like it. Looks like they've got them all. Well, I see hatches on the door, so maybe they unlock them certain times of the year. Give tours through there, but everything's boarded up. Well, those are just shutters. I guess they can open those. So, what we're gonna do for one of the cannonball stops is you're gonna walk down here to the fort and come and find this block. And you're gonna find any one of these buildings at the fort from this center block and take a selfie from it. So we know you were here, and that selfie is gonna have a timestamp, and it's gonna let us know that you were here and what time you were here. And you'll bring that picture back and send it to us at the end of the day, at the end of the cannonball run, so we can figure up everybody's times. Once we got everybody's times, then somebody is going to win a free paint job worth $3,000 from Iron Blackbird Cycles. Now the cannonball run is probably going to be somewhere between 200 and 300 miles. We're not exactly sure yet. It's going to happen in 2 to 3 months. We got to make sure we got plenty of time to advertise this on YouTube so we can get a lot of riders. There'll be some prizes. Probably not prize money, but some prizes along with us giving away a free paint job. So we're gonna try to get some Harley shops involved and have them set up some gifts and gift cards or something. And we're gonna get some other places to give some gift cards for whatever stores they run. And hopefully we can give a little bit to everybody that runs the cannonball. But the first place winner is going to get a free paint job from Iron Blackbird Cycles. So you guys make sure to stay tuned, and we'll be posting more videos about the cannonball and how to run it and a rule sheet. And we will have a Facebook page set up for the cannonball. So y'all keep watching for that. We'll try to send anybody links. Message me on this video and we will send you a link to the websites and all that. This is Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Hell, you can send us some money if you want to. We will get back with you later. Okay, so we are in the Fort Massac Visitor Center. Hi, you mind if I film in here a little bit?
No, we're getting ready to close at 6 though.
Yeah, we're just
make sure you
we're just in and out.
Okay, that's fine. We do have lots of information here available.
We're going to be running a cannonball run race through the area. It's like a motorcycle race, but it's not a speed race.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of like we're going to give everybody they're going to have to go do something. So we're going to send maybe 25 to 50 riders with their wives or whatever through this area, and we're making them go down to the fort and take a selfie with one of the buildings down there. So.
Oh, okay, kind of a scavenger hunt.
Yeah, kinda.
Thing. Okay.
Small model of the fort. Okay, that's a big bug. The forge bellows. Life inside the cabin. There's a lot of artifacts in here from the colonial to probably Civil War stuff. And those are some cool flintlock rifles. I don't know if those are original or not. They look in awful good shape. If they're original, those things are worth some money. And we got a French soldier here. I guess this dude is Clark's Regiment of Virginia State Troops, 1778, right after the Revolutionary War. And this is a model of the fort that we just walked through. Somehow it looks bigger on the model than it did on the fort we just walked through. So, we're gonna get out of the visitor center here. It's a nice little museum if you're, here's a quiz for the day. Tell me what that is. Because I know what that is, but you guys get in a comment deal and tell me what that bench is. Here's an old sharpening stone, I believe. That's pretty cool. Spinning wheels up there. And I guess I better sign in here.